Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. This is a Tidbit tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make these little tiny bows with a die that I got off of AliExpress about 5-6 years ago. And it's a set of 3. I'm using the smallest one here to make little tiny bows that fit on the little Mickey heads that I have a separate video for these as well. These go on my Mickey and Minnie card series cards, and I have another card series coming for 2021. The January card is obviously a little behind. I'm going to use it as my sample card showing you for the February card, and then the series will continue once a month till the end of the year. And I decided to kind of change it up a little bit, and instead of using ribbon for her bow this year, I'm using these little bows that I'm making out of cardstock. So let me go ahead and show you how to go ahead and make these. So you're going to take both dies, run them through your die cutting machine, and then you'll take your pieces. So the one that looks like a little pair of sunglasses is actually going to be the bow part. This is Stampin' Up! Cardstock, so it's kind of thick. I'm going to take my bone folder and just kind of break up some of the fibers towards the center of what would create the bow part. So I'm going to try to stay in camera for you guys. I haven't filmed in quite a while. Okay, so then we're left with this. I'm going to put these little bows up here. So in the center of the bow, I'm going to add a little bit of tombow. You don't need very much. Then I'm going to just fold this one over and kind of hold that down so that the glue sticks. And then we're going to flip it around and do the same thing to the other side. So right here, we'll fold this one over. And I'm going to take my bone folder and hold that one down so I don't squash the bow. Just give it a couple of seconds to go ahead and adhere. So then you've got the basic part of the bow. Now I'm going to kind of bend it a little bit so it's straight. I'm going to flip it over so that the pieces that cross are not on the top. I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the tail, but I'm not going to attach the whole thing. I'm just going to do it in the center here. So just kind of eyeballing it to make sure that I've got even amount of the little tail on both sides here. So like that. Again, you're going to put a little bit of glue in the center again. Then you're going to take this part of the tail and go ahead and wrap up. Hang on to that for a second. Alright, I'm going to wrap this over on the back, and it hangs over just a tad on the back side. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a little piece off, add a little bit more tombow, and then hold that down. Using the liquid kind of lets you manipulate it for a second before it's permanently stuck. And there we have a little tiny bow. So they fit right on Mickey's head to create Minnie, just like that. And then you would go ahead and attach that with the tombow glue as well. So that's how you do the bow for the new upcoming series. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments below or message me, and I will get a supply video out for you guys on what the card series is going to entail for the year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!